Hi, my name is Shitian from picturehealer.com. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Chinese herbal chicken soup like this one, 四物汤. Step 1 is to gather your herbal ingredients. I'm going to use 四物汤 for example today, so I have 4 different types of herb in my herbal package. Some common herbs for cooking Chinese herbal soup include 甘草, 大枣, the red date, and 枸杞子, the goji berry. You also need chicken. Any chicken will be fine, but traditionally we use whole chicken, including skin and bone. Another good chicken, if you can find it, is a ugu chicken, the black bone chicken. That's very good for making Chinese herbal chicken soup. The step 2 is to soak your herbs in water. It will soften the herbs and make it easier to cook. If it's heavier and bulky herb, usually we soak it for longer and cook it longer. And for the lighter herb or more fresh herb, we can add in at the end of the cooking so it doesn't overcook. Step 3 is to cook the chicken. First, you can blanch the chicken, but this step is optional. If you don't want to blanch it, you can just add it to the boiled water and skim all the foams with a ladle. How do you blanch your chicken? You just bring a pot of water to boil. You add the chicken in to cook a few minutes and then drain out all the water and rinse the chicken in the cold water. After you rinse the chicken in the cold water, you can start putting it back to the pot again, add new water and start cooking. This step just kind of like washing the chicken, clean out all the impurities. If you are too lazy to do the blanching of the chicken, you can also just add the chicken into the boiled water. After a couple minutes of cooking, you can see all the foaming on the top. So you can clean out all the foaming with a ladle. Now we clean out the foaming on the top, we can start to add herbs into the soup. I drain the soaking water and we are ready to put it into the herbal soup. You can eat the Chinese herb, but some people don't like the taste of it, so you can put it in a cheesecloth or any pouch. Now we add the herbs to the chicken soup. We will turn down the fire and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. It can be as long as 1 hour. It depends on what kind of meat you have. If you cook it longer, it will have more flavor and nutrition in the soup. Now we just let it cook until the meat fall off the bone, or you can see the color of the soup becomes darker. Another easy way to cook chicken soup is to throw everything into a crock pot, including chicken and herbs. You cover with enough water and just set it to 4 hours on the high or 6 or 8 hours on the low. Bonus tip: depends on what kind of herb you are using. If it's tonifying, sometimes Chinese people like to add rice wine or cooking wine and gingers. It's warming, tonifying, and keep your blood circulating. We can also add root vegetables. It goes well with chicken soup. For the herbal chicken soup, traditionally we don't add salt or soy sauce or any seasoning, but it is personal preference. Now you know how to cook Chinese herbal chicken soup and add extra nutrition into your daily diet. Check out our herbal store with discount code. The link is in the description below. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.